Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a 1957 Ford Fairlane. It is a two-tone with the minty green and the white. And this thing drives so good. We have a Fairlane right now, a Victoria. But this one is totally different colors, right? The other one's blue, this one's green. But this is just sharp. Everything is in really good condition on the inside. Got a bench seat. It is a white interior. And it's just a great looking car. You'll see, we'll take it down the road here in a second, how smooth it drives. Steering wheel is straight. And yeah, I mean, it really just speaks for itself. This is one of those family classics. Take a look at the cluster real quick. All right, let's take it for a spin, get her on the hoist, and check out the engine. Taking her for a spin. As you'll notice in the cluster, the gas gauge is not working, but we have the parts being ordered. We're gonna get that fixed up, have it in tip-top shape. All right, got a car right here, but just look at this green. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. So you can hear it going over those bumps, nice and smooth. Look at that steering wheel. Wow. Very, very smooth ride. This is just a great car, y'all. It's really as simple as that. All right, let's go take a look underneath, get her up on the hoist. All right, we got her up here on the lift. Let's take a look underneath, see how strong and clean she is. Underbody's been taken pretty good care of. No rust. Let's get a shot from the back real quick. It's a great ride. If you're interested or have questions, concerns, give us a call, shoot us an email. Follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for stopping by.